Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your device runs the required OS and is fully updated, and back up important data so you can reverse changes if needed. Once done, close sensitive apps and gather account recovery keys and two-factor methods. Now, go to Settings, search for Lockdown or Security Hardening, and tap to begin. You are taking immediate steps to minimize attack surface. This reduces exposed services and blocks complex content vectors while maintaining recoverability. You now enable the core protections inside lockdown mode. Flip the main toggle and follow prompts to grant necessary permissions. Accept a restart if required. Once active, make sure message previews are disabled and unknown callers are blocked, and remove or disable browser extensions and excessive plugins. Next, tighten networking. Turn off Wi-Fi auto join and Bluetooth, and route traffic through a trusted VPN. These steps close common remote exploit paths and limit device interfaces that attackers commonly use. You finish by verifying that protections are in place. Run a quick audit checklist and test critical apps for functionality. Once confirmed, re-enable only essential services and document every change and recovery step so you can unwind safely later. If something breaks, first revert non-essential toggles, restart the device, and restore from the backup you made. If problems persist, check system logs and remove recent app updates. That targeted rollback usually resolves conflicts without sacrificing your hardened posture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.